Hello friends, welcome back with another video, and in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can install a PHP script on your website domain using cPanel. So here is all in one SEO for your website to grow your website traffic. As you can see, we have a lot of PHP scripts here like YouTube thumbnail downloader, image resizer, image to base 64, image converter, and you can see here we have JPG converter, JPG to PNG, image compressor, a lot of tools like QR code generator, find Facebook ID, QR code decoder, and what's my IP. As you can see here, we have all-in-one SEOs for growing your website traffic. So I'm going to show you how you can download, install, and everything about this website. So first of all, what we need is the PHP script. So for this type of PHP script, okay, so we are going to check the price of this PHP script. As you can see in Code Canyon, the price is $38. So I'm going to give you a PHP script for demo. You don't need to buy if you want to check how it looks like, and you can install or not. So go back if you in your cPanel. Okay, first of all we need to log into cPanel. Let me log in. So here is your cPanel, and I am going to create a subdomain for installing this PHP script. So first of all, I'm going in subdomains. Here I'm going to create SEO tools.sharjeeldar.com. So let me create it. So as you can see, the subdomain is created. Let's go back to it, and now I'm going to file manager. Okay, so file manager, and here I need to find the SEO tools.schedule, the recently created subdomain. Okay, here is it, and I'm going to delete this folder because I don't need it. Okay, so done. Now I'm going to add the PHP script here in the directory. So for this purpose I need the PHP script here, and I'm going to unzip it. Here is the add-on, don't need this. Go to source file, and here is the main PHP script. Okay, so I'm going to upload it. First of all, click on upload, drag and drop your file here, skip the video. So the uploading is about to end and it's done. So go back to here, just click on refresh it, and here we have another folder, just delete it. So as you can see here, we have a zip file. Go to menu and extract it here. Okay, done. It's extracted. Now delete this zip file. Okay, so here we have the main platform. So go back to new tab and write SEO, the domain you recently created, SEO.sharjeeldar.com, right? SEO tools.sharjeeldar.com, SEO tools.sharjeeldar.com. Here we have a install page. Let's go. As you can see, we have all the requirements. If here anything like PHP is missing, you need to update PHP version to 7.3 or 7.4. Click on continue. Here as you can see, it's a null script, so here you can add any purchase code you want. Okay, here is the localhost, and here is the database port, database name, and username and password. So we need to create a database name, username and password in our C panel. Go back to your C panel, close the file manager, go back here and click on MySQL databases. Open a notepad also. So as you can see here, my database is, I'm going to create a new database like SEO tools. Okay, here create database, it's done. Go back, and now I'm going to create a user for this database as like that SEO tools user. Okay, I'm going to generate a password. I'm going to copy it, and I have copied, choose this password and create user. Okay, it's done. Now what is the next step is to connect the user account with database. So how can we connect it? So for connecting this, go down and here add user to database. I'm going to select the SEO tools data username and SEO tools database, both are the same. Click on add, and here as you can see, first I need to write the password here, and the user and database have the same name. If it's different, just write down here for remember. Okay, I'm going to select all the privileges and make changes. It's done. Go back to the installer. Here in the database name section, I'm going to copy the database name, copy and paste it. Username is the same in my case. Click on password and copy the password, paste it right here. Okay, click on save changes. So as you can see, it's saved. Now click on continue, and here you need to add your email and password. I'm going to add my email and the password you want. I'm going to add a simple password. Click on continue, and it's done. Okay, so click on continue now. Congratulations, view your website. As you can see, we have the complete PHP script installed in our domain or subdomain, and here we have a login button also. I'm going to add my login as an admin panel, so the email is that. Okay, click on sign in. As you can see, I am an admin, and here is my admin dashboard. Okay, so for our regular visitor, it's a complete website. I'm going to open in incognito tab. So here you can see all the things are available. So if you want to ask me about any other PHP scripts or any other information, you can comment me. I will reply you as soon as possible. And you can see the installation is done, and if you want to download this PHP script for demo purpose, you can click on description and click on the link below to download this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.